Hello, everyone. Securing a position is a good thing, but securing a position that too in a single digit is very nice, isn't it? And for any engineering service aspirants, for any guy who can or any girl who can secure a single digit position will be kind of a role model. So now we have along with us our beloved student Nandan, Ushneesh Nandan, who has secured a fourth rank in engineering services. So let us welcome him and share. He will share his experience of his journey during the time of preparation. So hi Ushneesh, and many congratulations from whole IES Master team for your this achievement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So can you tell us about yourself?
Sir, myself is Bolla Ushneesh Nandan. I basically belong to the state of Andhra Pradesh. I did my schooling and intermediate here itself, and I did my graduation in Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh itself. Later on,
Okay.
I prepared for engineering services. In 2023, I was allocated to QSNC cadre. In 2024, I secured All India Rank 12 and I was shifted to IDSC cadre. Now in 2025 year, my rank was fourth, sir.
Acha, once again, what was the reason that you have given this particular exam? I know the answer, but I wanted to know from your mouth.
So
Not only this.
the only thing was the railways, sir.
Yeah,
Railways
that
recruitment after 5 years.
yes. So the students were waiting from past 5 years that if the railway will get included, it will be beneficial for them. So it is one of the most favorable target for any of the student from civil engineering background, isn't it?
Yes, sir, definitely,
So
sir.
can you share a little bit of your preparation strategy, because see securing fourth position is too very difficult. Single digit that position is very difficult. So what was your preparation strategy, and what was your revision strategy? Can you just little bit explain it so that all the students from Andhra Pradesh and all over in India, they will get benefit from it?
So my preparation strategy was simple. First of all, kindly go through the class notes and revise it properly and solve the numericals which were taught in the class notes. But that is sufficient for the basic level. Then slowly start the PYQs. Don't go to a greater extent. Sir, in my case, I solved the PYQs from most probably 2010 to 24 in
Okay.
for the prelims, and for mains, I have solved approximately 2015 to 2025. So 10 years of mains is sufficient, sir. Sir, coming to the revision part, a planned study should be required. Sir, in the morning session, I used to study the GS part as well as the short notes revision, sir, for the 4 hours. So I used to wake up at 5 o'clock. For the next 4 hours, the target is at least GS I need to complete to some extent and short notes revision, sir. And remaining time in the morning was to cover the theory part of the technical subjects. So it would be beneficial for me. In the afternoon part, most probably I used to do the numericals. So because during afternoon time it is not that much good for me because it is somewhat drowsy time. So I used to
Yes.
put effort on numericals. Sir, at the evening, most probably after 5, the only thing was only the test series revision and the whatever I had studied from the morning, I used to revise it thoroughly, sir.
Okay. So you have a quite good nice stable chart already, huh? So you
Yes,
you
sir.
followed this stable. Were you disciplined while you are following this strategy and plan?
Sir, actually, actually all the most of my friends used to follow, sir. Till 2024, I used to follow, but in 2025, due to my training, my office jobs are 9 to 4. So I used to manage timings. Morning, only the short notes and the non-tech part. Evening, the numericals, technical part, entire technical part, sir. After 4:30.
Okay, but can I say that from past few years you have continuously you are studying, matlab maybe for 3 4 days here and there, but mostly you are in a touch with the study, right?
Yes, sir.
You are continuously preparing, and that too I am very happy for knowing that you have actually followed a particular timetable, and uh, it is very disciplined way to get through of any of the examination. It's not about only engineering service. any of the examination, if you are targeting and you have a good discipline, if you are following a particular timetable, if you have a continuity, if you have a determination, of course you will get through it.
Yes, sir. Definitely,
So
sir.
yeah, and one more thing, Nandan, I would like to ask you, what was your strategy regarding, while before the pre-exam? Actually, students were generally maybe first attempt or second attempt, I would say. uh, Students will be afraid because first exam, see, after completion of the pre-exam, they will be able to understand it. Okay, I'm going to get maybe 290 marks or 300 marks, so they can actually plan it accordingly for the mains and
Yes,
further
sir.
things. But
Yes,
the
sir.
major problem comes when you are actually going for the first prelims exam. So
Yes,
what
sir.
was your thought about that? How matlab, uh, what exactly was thought कि मैं इतना स्कोर करूंगा, I will score 300 or 400 or something like that? What was your strategy?
Sir, in my view, only thing I can say that in the new paper to technical part, which is our most strengthened part, we should not commit minor silly mistakes, sir. Second thing, our speed should be very high, so that if we attempt almost 140, if the net correction is around 105 bits, then it is a good score for the technical part, sir. Sir, in non-tech part, of course, the syllabus is very dynamic. We need to focus on the aptitude and maths only thing, so that the students can go at least 50 marks in the maths and apt itself. That will give a big boost. Sir, what can I say for means in non-tech part? Try to attempt more, sir. How much you try to
Okay.
attempt more, you can get that many marks.
Okay. And how much you almost maybe now we don't have a scorecard, but maybe you have calculated it. How much you are getting in pre
So most probably 310 in and around.
310? And that too,
Mm.
I will be thinking maybe 110 marks from GS, correct? Around
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
correctly, no? So
Yes,
you
sir.
are actually getting around 200 from the technical part.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that is very nice. So, Acha, you are talking about students should avoid the silly mistakes. Can you elaborate it?
Sir, actually,
What
no,
kind of
sir, during the test series, we can learn from it. Like, sir, in the initial phase, the question is easy, but the last, the sentence, they are somewhat tricky. But directly, I'll jump into the answer without seeing that last part. This may make commit mistakes for us, sir. So, read the question properly. What they
Okay.
require, what they have asked, just find out the accurate one and just put the answer, sir. This
Yes.
is the only thing we can, and moreover, we may confuse between the options. Like if there are two to three options are relatable, then we need more amount of practice to commit less an amount of mistakes. So,
Yes. Yeah, that is why I asked you. See, there are so many silly mistakes a student used to do. So, what Nandan actually wants to say that maybe sometimes if you see that which of the following is correct, and the first option, which of the following is correct, first option is the correct one, and he will
yes,
take the first one. He is not going to see second one is also correct, third one is also correct, and fourth
yes, yes,
option
sir.
is the all are correct. So
Yes,
once
sir.
again, you get, so that kind of silly mistakes one can commit over there. So these are the silly mistakes you should not do. Acha, what about the calculation part? In a pre also there are some. Sometimes you will see that some calculations are coming. Uh, how to attempt those things?
Sir, basically we should get an idea if the calculation part are very less, means like if the calculations are easy, so we need to solve them quickly. Sir, in my opinions, there are few questions. There will be definitely in a paper 5 to 10 questions. There we need huge. Without callus, it is not that much easy. So,
Yes.
in my view, better to skip them because if
Yeah, that's what
we,
I wanted to. That's what I wanted to hear it. Yeah. So skip it. Once you will identify the question has a large numerical or maybe something which you cannot calculate without calculator, skip it without any hesitation. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Can,
If
can
you take it
continue, please.
personally, if you take it personally, then it may lose 20 to 30 questions out of from that 10 questions. So better. Even I have skipped nearly 6 to 7 questions or having bigger numericals. So maybe it helped me to get the good score, sir.
Yeah, yeah, because see, actually, it is a kind of trap over there. Once you'll
Yes, sir.
complete, but before judging it, whether you have to skip it or not, You must understand, my dear students, that you must go through the whole syllabus. You have actually, I am believing it, that you have solved all the previous year questions, and you have a nice idea about the type of questions. If you have gone through everything, then only you will be able to see the question and you will be able to judge it. Maybe in a 12 or 13 second you will be able to judge it, whether you are going to skip it or whether you are going to do it. Correct or not, Nandan?
Yes, yes, sir. Definitely, sir. 100%.
Yeah. So skipping strategy, you must not forget it. Huh? Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
okay, coming to the next part. Now, for the mains exam. For the mains
Yes, sir.
exam, what was your prime, strategy?
Sir, means I need to confine my time. Like from 2015 to 25, I need to solve the PYQs definitely for each and every subjects, because if I go to a greater extent, sir, time is not that much sufficient. So I kept a fixed time from 2015 to 25, so or 24. So at 10 years, I solved thoroughly. And attempting the test series is the biggest challenge in the mains, sir, because the speed should be very high in the mains. Yes, sir. Everyone knows every means out of 8 questions, we need to solve 5 questions. Everyone has capability to solve five, but in that confinement of 3 hours, actually, in the first initial phase, I used to solve 3 questions in 2023 test series. But slow on, I had increased my progress. Uh, in 2025 test series, almost 4 to 4.5 questions I used to attempt. But in reality, that was in this case, in 2025, the paper was very tough, sir. I
Yeah.
attempted almost 4 questions of 240, 250 range in both the papers. But now I had seen I should attempt with more accurate. Even because the sums which are known to me are very few, so I should attempt them with the most accuracy. So this is my strategy in the mains, sir.
Yeah, that was very quite nice. Acha, one more thing, Nandan.
Yes, sir.
What was the? Now I'll once again I'll come to the pre-part. So
Yes,
before
sir.
sitting for the pre-examination, any subject or any topic which you have left or which is left over and you were not able to complete it, is there
Sir,
any such things were
yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir. I had left few things like in the BMC, there is a miscellaneous part like paints, varnishes. Sir, in the field astronomy, in the survey, construction equipment, sir, these are the parts, of course, out of, if you consider in geotech, transportation, tunneling part, sir, if you consider all these things, there will be hardly 5 questions. But the time to complete the syllabus takes us a huge amount of time. And moreover, this is a syllabus, this is not mandatory that they should give from these topics. So I left these miscellaneous topics of every subject, sir.
Yeah, why I'm asking this, because sometimes what happened, no, this is very nice, Nandan. You have actually said it very correctly. Few of the things you cannot cover it up. Sometimes it may be due to unavailability of the content, or maybe you were not present in the class. Something happened. I'm not going behind
Yes,
that.
sir.
But somehow, if some few things has been not been covered, you should not worry too much. Why? Because I have seen a lot of students that they are worrying too much after leaving 5 to 7% of the material or content, and they are actually not confident enough to what they have already, but the 90% is there in their plate, and they're not
So,
able to execute it from there. And instead what they are afraid of, that what they left over the only 5 to 7%. So you
so
should not do it.
if you leave the one unit also, hardly if unluck favors you, maximum 2 questions come from that unit. So we should not worry about that unit, sir. If you have command over the remaining part, then it is good enough, sir. No need to worry.
Now, obviously, Nandan is one of the example. He's saying that what he did. Acha, Nandan, now coming to once again, mains part. Mains,
Yes, sir.
while you have, when you, you are actually, you have studied for 2 times, right? Mains, you
Three,
gave
sir.
thrice. So, including all, I'm asking, your focus was mainly on numerical or theoretical part.
Sir, mostly in the mains, we need to focus on the numerical part because it
Okay.
was the marks gaining process. So mostly I focused on numerical part. Theory also, sir, in exam, I used to dedicate last half an hour or 20 minutes. Whatever the theory left, I used to write with a fast writing, not even I don't know if it is understandable or not, but I used to write the content. But numerical part is because, sir, if we get the answer, they it has no doubt they will allocate the full marks to you. But in the theory, how much content you have written, but they won't give the full marks to us. So that is the thing, sir. We need to focus on the numerical part only.
Okay, and Nandan, you have completed your BTech from Vishakhapatnam. That's what you were saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Which college?
Sir, Gayatri Vidya Parishad College in
Gayatri
2021,
Vidya
sir.
College. Okay, so all the juniors will be seeing and them they were very happy after seeing that his their senior has secured this fourth position. So all the students from the Gayatri Vidya College and all other aspirants, any message you would like to give them, so that they will be also very encouraged and they will be enthusiastic when they will go for the preparation.
So first thing, attend the classes properly. Means at least you should get good attendance there and write the class notes properly because it is the source for the upcoming exams, not only for ESC because the classroom they teach in such a way all the exams will be covered. So first classroom is the basic information thing. So we need to write them thoroughly. Second thing, na sir, we need to solve the PYQs in the number of times. And the third thing was the test series, sir. Test series is the most important thing, sir.
So that is what he wanted to say, that first you complete the syllabus. You
Yes,
cannot
sir.
skip too much of the syllabus because ES is relatively vast. Then you go for the PYQ, and after that, when you will come for the test series part, you will be able to assess yourself. And I'm very happy talking to Nandan, and he has shared a lot of information which will be helpful for the aspirants. So, Nandan, nice talking to you. And once again, many, many congratulations for securing this high rank and high position. And uh, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर बिकॉज सामने बस आ ही रहा है एंड बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं फॉर योर फ्यूचर ऑल्सो
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
नंदन थैंक यू